internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video. I'm low-key excited for this one because I think it's the theme that I've been dying for. It's the Sanrio theme, which Sanrio was my childhood and I love everything Sanrio. So yes, let's get right into this. I'm so excited. First we have some Gudetama Snacks. I think these are like biscuits, custard biscuits, which I'm definitely going to enjoy. Oh, Twin Star. It's probably like a coin pouch. I don't even care how like perceived juvenile any of these items are. I'm keeping all of them because it's the memorabilia for me. It's a bit of like glue. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like just a coin purse. It's so squishy and cute. Yeah, so cute. Then there are socks. This is probably going to be, I don't know actually, this might actually fit. My feet aren't that big. It's Twin Star socks. I love that they're not exactly the same, like they're two different ones. I'll totally try it out, and if it fits then you will see them in my vlog channel coming up soon. And then I think I've got more snacks. I've got some Hello Kitty marshmallows, the strawberry marshmallows. I don't know the brand, but there's one that's really similar to this that I used to get when I was living in Hong Kong, and it was so good. It's just basically the same thing, like marshmallow with some sort of jam on the inside. And I don't know this character. I don't think I've seen this particular one before. And it doesn't even say Sanrio, so I'm not actually sure if this is a Sanrio character. It looks like a little hamster with a nut. But this is what I would probably consider, yeah, more of a gimmicky pen. I do like that this isn't on this end though, so it's not like weighing the pen down, so that the lid itself is the heavy portion. Probably won't try this. I don't tend to try the gimmicky pens. Then we have some My Melody Post-it notes. I actually don't know if I have these ones. I'm gonna have to check. I don't think I do. It's very cute. And then we've got some washi tape. Let me quickly open this up. Got like, okay, so this is like a blue with some gold, rose gold foiling. It's like koi. It's very pretty and surprising. I don't have anything like this. And then the last one, I think these are either post-it notes, no, they're letters. My Melody themed letters. Let me open this so I can give you a slightly better look. But yeah, it's like layers. So you get little notes here that you can write, and then this is the actual letter itself. So different types of letters. There's like a little part that wasn't cut off properly. It's a K and a little envelope. It's kind of cool creating lots of little different letters that you can put together and just put into a gift or something like that. Really adorable. So that is everything in July's Kawaii Box. This felt like it went really fast. I would say that I was really excited for this box. I still really like this box, but I wish everything was actually Sanrio because I think the pen and the washi tape are not Sanrio themed. I think they're just like cute Japanese theme. Love it. Like I don't have an issue with it itself, but it would be so nice if everything was like Sanrio. But it probably would be quite expensive too, so maybe that's the reason. But yeah. That's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.